Man, it's been a while since I did a vlog. So you guys like that new intro? Hey guys, what is up? DBG the Man here, back in another video. Today's video is going to be vlog number 27. So I have a few things I want to share with you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. First order of business, and that is that this is going to be my third year of uploading videos here up to YouTube. And I just hit a few milestones too. First off is that I just hit over 100,000 total views, and that's just puts a huge smile on my face, and that's just so cool. And also, I'm just one subscriber away from hitting 200 subscribers, so that's also puts just a big smile on my face too. I know this is kind of blurry, but scratch that last statement because I just hit 200 subscribers. What up? So with this being my third year here on YouTube and me hitting some milestones, I want to start doing some new content on my channel, particularly 2 new shows. The first show actually premiering next week, and that one being called Anime and Manga Differences. It's where I sit down and talk about the differences between an anime, or between a manga, and its anime adaptation. I think that's something that's really cool and interesting to talk about. The second show being Anime Recommendations, where I just kind of sit down and recommend you guys anime. You know, you can kind of think of it as being a quick review instead of doing a full review of an anime. You know, I just kind of sit down and give you all the reasons why I feel like you should watch the anime in really quick so yeah, Anime Recommendations. So besides adding 2 new shows for my channel, what else do I have planned for the channel? Sorry for that pause. Well, I kind of want to do a month of Dragon Ball Z, or for 1 month, and for 1 month every week I release 1 Dragon Ball Z related video. And I just do different types of Dragon Ball Z related videos. I'm not sure exactly what content I was talking about, but I think I would like actually doing that. So if you guys would like to see a month of DBZ, go ahead and leave your comments down below saying, yes, DBZ Man, this is what we would like to see. Yes, DBZ the Man, a month of DBZ sounds amazing. Well, thank you for the support, Cell. And since you guys are already down there in the comments, go ahead and leave me your feedback. What other videos would you guys like to see me do? If there's some reviews out there you guys would like me to do, or is there some other discussion video you would like me to make, you know, go ahead and leave what you would like to see me do down in the comments below. And remember, I upload at least 1 video every week, and if I accidentally end up skipping a week, that means you get 2 videos the next week. And let me go ahead and start wrapping this video up by saying, if you guys like the video, like the video. If you like me, subscribe to me, because you should already be subscribed to me if you're watching this video right now. And this is DBG the Man, and I'll catch y'all next time.